In this video, I'll guide you through how to forward emails to Basecamp. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, learning how to forward emails to Basecamp can be a game changer for organizing your communications and keeping all your project information in one place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Basecamp's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com. Once the page loads, make sure to log into your account if you aren't already. This is your central hub for managing projects, so being comfortable navigating this platform is essential. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the project you want to work with. Basecamp organizes all its information into projects, which makes it easier to manage tasks and communications in a focused manner. So, locate your project from the dashboard and give it a click. Within your project, you'll find several options for managing your data. What we're interested in today is the Email Forwards section. Click on Email Forwards, and you'll be taken to a page that will allow you to set up and manage how emails are integrated into your project. Now, you have two easy ways to forward an email to Basecamp. The first method is straightforward but extremely effective. You can forward any email directly to a special Basecamp address, which is save@app.basecamp.com. This is a universal address provided by Basecamp that allows you to save emails to your account quickly. So, if you have an important email that needs to be documented in Basecamp, just forward it to this address and it will appear in your account. But what if you want to ensure that the email lands directly into a specific project? Basecamp has thought of that too. The second method involves using a special email address that is unique to each project. Within the Email Forwards section, you'll find this unique address. By forwarding an email to this specific address, the email will be dropped directly into the project you're working on. This is particularly useful for keeping project-specific communications organized and readily accessible to your team. Remember, both methods are designed to make your life easier by ensuring that all important communications are accessible from within Basecamp. If you're ever unsure about which method to use, think about the context of the email. If it's general information that might be useful for more than one project, the save@app.basecamp.com address is your best bet. Conversely, if the email contains information pertinent to a single project, use the project's unique email address. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to forward emails to Basecamp, streamlining your project management process and ensuring that all your communications are neatly organized in one place. By utilizing these methods, you can enhance your workflow, reduce email clutter, and maintain a clear line of communication with your team, all within the Basecamp platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy project managing!